Hello everyone, welcome back. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe my small YouTube channel. Until now, we mostly worked with one data frame. But imagine you are working in a company, student information might be stored in one file and marks might be stored in another file and again attendance might be stored in another file. We need a way to combine these information and that's why today we are learning how pandas can combine multiple data frames using merge and join. What? Merge and join. For learning purpose, we are creating two data frames. Yes, let us see in the practical way. Yeah, yeah. For learning purpose, we are creating two data frames here. One is with students information and another one is with student marks. But here there is a common one. What is here? Student ID. Okay. Now let us run this. Yeah, we got the output, right? And the next one is basic match. What? Basic match. Here, observe one thing. On equal to student ID. This is the most important part. Okay. What? This is the most important what? Important part. On equal to student ID. This means we are telling pandas use student ID. Use student ID. Use student ID to figure out which rows belong together. And this column is called a key. Now you have a doubt. What is a key? A key is a column used to match related records. Here what is here student ID, right? What is the related records here? Name, age and final grade. It is the output here. Okay? It is the output. See, let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? This is the basic match. Okay? And the next one is inner join. What? Inner join. See, inner join is by default only. Without storing it, we can get our inner join here. Now let us see. See, here pd.merge. See, we are not storing it any variable, right? We are giving directly. We are writing directly. And that's why we are telling it is default, by default. Okay? So, so, so now this meaning is it will keeps only IDs that exist in both data frames. What? That exist in both data frame. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? Here students IDs that exist in both data frames. Yeah, we have the student IDs, right? Both data frames, right? And the next one is example with the missing ID. What? Example with the missing ID. See here, observe one thing. Here again we are creating two data frames here just for example purpose only. Here, observe one thing. Student 104 does not have any marks record here. What? Student 104 does not have any marks record. Observe here. Once observe here and wait for a second. I'm keeping charging my laptop. Yeah. Yeah. Once observe here. Student 104 does not have a marks record here. Now, student 104 marks will appear or not? Will appear or not? Now let us see here. Shift enter. Yes, it will not appear because 104 does not exist in both tables, right? Here the main reason is student 104 will not appear. Why? Because here 104 does not exist in both tables, right? That's why we got the output like this. And the next one is left join. What? Left join. Here left join means, here observe one thing. Left join means here how. We are keeping the how. Here how equal to left. It means it simply tells pandas keep everything from the left data frame. What? Left data frame. What is the left data frame here? Let us run it. Yeah. We have 104, right? Here left data frame. It will use entire from the left data frame. Left, right? Now what is the marks here? Here is there any marks? No, right? So on the time it will give nan. What? Nan. Here here see, student is the left data frame. Students is the left data frame because student 104 exists in the students. It says, but because there is no matching marks, here no matching marks, right? There is no matching marks. So final grade becomes what? Final grade becomes nan. What? Nan. Okay. And the next one is right join. What? Right join. Here how equal to right? It means it will keeps everything from the right data frame. What? Right data frame. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? It means it will keeps everything from the right data frame. Here one not here one not one second. Here 104 is not exist. Why? Because it is in left. But what are we using? Right. Right? So it gives only from the right data frame. Okay? And the next one is outer join. What? Outer join. Let us see the output here. Shift enter. Here outer join means what? Outer join means how equal to outer. It means it will keep everything from the both data frames. What? It keeps everything from the both data frames. Here this is the output. See, it gives everything from the left data frame and everything from the right data frame. Yeah, this is the output. Okay. If id exists only on one side, the missing information becomes nan. Okay, and this is common. Okay, and the next one is right join. What? Right join. Yeah, we already completed, right? Yeah. Now the next one is merge was joined. What? Merge was joined. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. We got the output here. We will merge. The next one is join. Okay. Just for now, leave this. Okay. Yeah. Just simply remember like this. Here, inner join means only it will match. Only matching. And the left means what? Left join means everything from left, and right join means everything from right, and outer join means everything from both. Okay, everything from both. I'm telling again, inner join means here, inner join means only matching, just it will match, according to the uh, uh, similar IDs. Okay, and the left means everything from left, and right means everything from right, and outer means everything from both. Okay, I hope you understand. For more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and in the next section we will discuss about uh, combining the data frames, means concatenation. Okay, let us see in the next video. Thank you.